Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be pranking my grandma with these super loud firecrackers. I got them from my brother-in-law, and they're supposed to be really loud, so let's see how this goes.
Ow! What the fuck was that? Motherfucker! What the hell was that? Something hit me in the side of the fucking neck. Motherfucker! What the fuck is going on?
I didn't
Can't
hear
even
anything.
sit on the fucking front porch.
Was somebody out here selling Girl Scout cookies or something?
Hell no, who in the fuck would be selling Girl Scout cookies? Did that sound like somebody selling them?
It sounded like your lighter.
What my fucking lighter is in my damn pocket.
You're smoking a cigarette.
The lighter's in my pocket.